Let's talk about guns and DWI arrests in Texas. So in Texas, we now have constitutional carry where you can carry a gun without a license to carry, LTC license, right? However, if you have an LTC and you get arrested for DWI, even though you are innocent unless proven guilty, automatically your LTC gets revoked. You have to turn in your LTC right away when you get arrested for DWI. You can get it back if you beat the DWI case. However, remember the LTC is a luxury and they don't have to give you an LTC again. So what happens if you actually get a DWI? Well, when you get a DWI and you're arrested, part of your bond conditions are usually you cannot have access to weapons or ammunition. So try not to get arrested during hunting season, okay? And then while you're on any probation or PTI program, it's usually no guns or weapons while you're on those programs. If you beat your DWI, great, not a problem. If you don't beat your DWI and get convicted, remember when you go to my favorite gun store out there, Collector's Firearms, and you fill out the sheet that says, do you have a chemical dependency, drug or alcohol? You have to now say yes or no. Even if you say no, they're gonna be like, well, we see a DWI charge, it can delay you in buying a gun. So just because a DWI is a misdemeanor, it's not gonna prohibit you from carrying a gun because it's a misdemeanor. Anything about a DWI is not gonna prohibit you from owning a gun. However, it may slow down the purchase of your gun because the feds may think you have a chemical issue with alcohol and they may delay your purchase of a gun. Now, if you get charged and get convicted of a felony DWI, bye-bye gun rights forever, okay? Once you're a convicted felon, you can never buy a gun or carry a gun. You can have access to a gun inside your house 10 years after all the probation and any punishment's over, but that's only inside your house. So be very careful and hire a reputable DWI attorney if you like your guns as well.